Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raelynn. My husband and I have been on a journey to become debt-free and more financially stable since November of 2023. We utilize a zero-based budget to tell our money where to go instead of wondering where it went. After adapting to this lifestyle, we noticed the financial aspect of our lives change for the better. I film these videos to hold ourselves accountable and hopefully inspire others along the way. If you're interested in following along, just keep watching. Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm so excited because I have some Happy Mail to open with you all today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started opening this. So first thing is from Mzo Budgets, Angela from Mzo Budgets, and I'm so excited to open this. I ordered some savings challenge or a savings challenge from her, and it's so cute. I just had to get it. Look how cute this tissue paper is and this note. Thank you so much for supporting my shop. I hope you enjoy the extra goodies. Oh my gosh, Angela, thank you. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's in here now. Gosh, this tissue paper reminds me so much of my daughter. She loves things like daisy, smiley, groovy. Love it. Okay. Oh, how cute. Okay. Adorable. Look at this, you guys. Love the paper clip. I'm gonna add it here. I love those large gold paper clips. So cute. Okay, cute little sticker. So cute. Is this a sticker too? This reminds me of my old view out of my old house in Alaska. It's so green and I could see the mountains. So pretty. And her cute little thank you card. Placeholder, love that. Thank you so much, Angela. This is what I ordered from her. I love the colors and the vibes. It's so me. I love white, tan, and black together. It's like my signature colors. Excited for that. And then this is so cute. Capture the Good Times Savings Challenge. Look how cute, you guys. Sorry for the glare. I will definitely be using this. Thank you so much, Angela. If you're interested in any of these items, I will link her shop down below for you guys. Thank you. Next is some things I ordered from Simple Dollar Co. I believe her name is Cassie. Okay. Yeah, that's just my invoice. Okay. So I ordered some lower denomination placeholders from her because I've been wanting to put my Christmas money into our high yield, but I don't quite have 500 for that yet. So thank you so much for your purchase, Ray. Everyone calls me Ray. That is so cute. I love it. Awesome. And then her little thank you card on the back, product care. Okay. Oh wow, a freebie too. Thank you. And then these are what I ordered from her. So I got 3 100s and then 3 500s. And I had to get these, you guys. When she posted these, they were so cute. Love them and the simplicity and the colors and the fonts, everything. So I'm so excited to use all of those. And another cute paper clip I'll add here. Let's see. Okay. And then these must be like her freebies and stuff. Look at this envelope. How cute is this envelope? Oh my gosh. More stickers. How cute. Oh my gosh, my daughter is gonna love that. She loves rainbows and stuff. $5 off your next order. Cash envelope tracker and a savings challenge tracker. How cute. Ooh, I might laminate these so I could reuse them. Thank you so much, Cassie. I love everything. And same thing, if you're interested in any of the stuff from Cassie's shop, Simple Dollar Co., I will leave her shop down below. Okay, and last but certainly not least, Chloe from Budgeting with Chloe reached out to me and asked if she can send me some freebies. So I did not purchase anything. She sent me all of this stuff, and I am so excited to open and see what's inside. Sorry, I accidentally showed my address on the other side. So I was saying that I know what one of the items is in here, but she said that she included other things for me. So I am so excited to see what it is. Okay. How cute. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff, Chloe. Yay! I love this little thing so much. Oh my gosh, shut the front door. What the heck? Okay. I am so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. So I picked this guy from her shop. She told me to pick anything from her shop, and I picked this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm getting so excited. So yeah, I picked this one for Halloween because I mentioned in my last video that my husband didn't think the goal that I set for other Halloween tracker was enough. So I got this to save an extra 100, and I cannot wait. Look how cute those ghosts are with the cowboy hats. Oh, so cute. Okay. Wild West Savings Challenge. OMG. This is so cute. I love Western theme things. I love it. Thank you so much, Chloe. I can't get over all this stuff you sent me. Here's another Wild West Savings Challenge with the little cactus. So cute. And the boots. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay, so those 3 things. So excited. Okay, next, let's see what else. She sent me some trackers. It's kind of gloomy out, so it's been storming all morning, which I love, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt in my house because I'm freezing. It went from like 111 and dropped down to 90 degrees in a matter of like 5 minutes, so I'm in shock right now. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put these back here. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay. So she sent me these holiday trackers. Look how cute. There's one for New Year's, St. Patty's Day, Cinco de Mayo. Look at the freaking cactus on there, you guys. How adorable. 4th of July, Christmas with the little gingerbreads. How cute. Black Friday. Pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. How cute is that? Halloween. Anniversary. Back to school. Mother's Day. Father's Day. Easter. And Valentine's. I am obsessed with all of these. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Chloe. And again, if you guys are interested in any of her items that she sent me from her shop, I will link hers down below as well. And then I just wanted to quickly say thank you very much for all the feedback I got in my last video regarding my birth flower savings challenge. I'm so happy that all of you love it. I am gonna be working on looking into opening an Etsy shop very soon. There's just been things popping up in my personal family life that has kept me from doing those things. So yeah, stay tuned for this. And I'm just so happy that you guys love it so much. And I do too. I'm very, very proud of this. And I'll just flip through it again really quick so you guys can see. So this is the cover, and I will be making additional options. So this is the 1K, it's the only one I've made so far. And leave me what you guys would like to see down below, like a 2.5K, a 5K, a 10K. Let me know so I can get those made up and make them available when I open my Etsy shop. So there's the cover. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. I'm so, so excited for this, you guys. I will for sure update you all when it will become available. I'm also waiting on getting a printer, so it might be a few weeks or so. Hopefully not. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into this cash stuffing. So I should have a total of $609 in here. We'll go ahead and count this up. Perfect. We have a total of $609, which is exactly where we need it to be. We'll go ahead and start off with my wallet, as always. So groceries we didn't spend last week, 20, 40, 45. So I'll put this back here to go in our extra debt envelope. Drinks, household we didn't spend. And I'll roll that over actually. Kids we didn't spend, I'm gonna roll that over. Miscellaneous we didn't spend it, I'm gonna take miscellaneous out. And let's see if I have any coins to, yes, I do have a few coins to put in my coin jar. Okay. I love this coin jar, you guys. So cute. Okay, going into the stuffing part, I already did my grocery shopping for the week. It has been so hot, and lugging my 2 kids around in 120 degrees, no thank you. So I purchased my groceries as a pickup order and Instacart delivery to my house. So I have $50 left over out of the $200 that I budgeted for this week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a 50 in here just in case we will need anything else, like small milk, bread, anything like that. Skipping drinks. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff household in my binder. Same with kids. And miscellaneous, I'm gonna put 10. And honestly, you guys, having it so hot outside is a good way to save money because you don't wanna go out and do anything right now in this heat. Like, it is not fun. So my wallet is set for the week. Going into my wallet overflow. Gas, I'm gonna put some cash in gas because my husband and I do plan on going on a trip for our anniversary, and so we needed gas to go there. We're gonna go to Sedona, and I'm so excited, and that should be, what, the 1st or 2nd week of August? So coming up very soon. So for gas, we have a total of 50, 100, 150. That trip can't come soon enough, you guys. Household, I'm gonna be stuffing 40. Household now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125, 130. Plus 10 in my wallet, so 140 total. Kids is gonna be getting 20 in 2 10s. So kids now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, plus the 10 in my wallet, 65 total. And miscellaneous, I stuffed in my wallet. Justin is gonna be getting 40. So Justin has 20, 30, 40. All right, my personal spending is getting 10. So I have a total of 15 left over. I went and got a fill yesterday and I had to use some of my personal spending with the beauty money that I had aside. Anyways, that is it for this binder. Going into my high priority. Oops. I'm always bumping into stuff, you guys. Oh my gosh. Coffee is going to be getting 5. So coffee now has 20, 30, 35, and 40 for our next coffee bean order, which is fully funded. You guys, I have a Rebel Barista espresso machine that like totally changed the game for coffee for me, you guys. I was one of those girls who would like go to Starbucks or Dutch Brothers every single day, and pay at least $7 a day in coffee. And when I got this Breville, I don't have any desire to go out and get coffee out anymore. Like, I actually prefer this coffee over any other coffee shop. Those coffee shops, used to love them, and like if someone brings me that or whatever, I'll still drink it, but it is nothing. It is trash compared to the coffee I make at home now. It's such a game changer. And if that is something you want to invest in, I am all for it, because in the long run, you end up saving so much money. It's insane. And these machines last like 10 years, you guys, at least. So yeah, I'm so glad that we pulled the trigger on that machine, because it's like such a luxury to have that kind of coffee at my fingertips whenever I want it. It is by far one of the best purchases we've ever made. And yeah, hands down, all for that. Personal hygiene is going to be getting $20. Personal hygiene now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120. The Weens are getting 15. So the Weens now have 50, 1, 20, 30, 135. I just had to buy them some more treats, and I got them some new dog toys and a bag of dog food. I think we were at 170, so we're back to 135 now, which isn't bad. Clothing is getting 20. Clothing now has 150, 200, 220, 230, 235. School is getting 5. School now has 20, 30, 35, 40. Electricity is getting 5. Electricity now has 150, 60, 65, 170. Yearly subscriptions is getting 5 as well. Yearly subscriptions now has 20, 30, 35, 40. Vehicle maintenance is getting $10. So vehicle maintenance has 500 set aside in our high yield, 50, 70, 75. Whoops, let me redo that. Okay, 500 in our high yield, 50, 70, 80, 85. So 585 total. Our tabs should be due very soon. I think in August or so. So we'll see how much that's going to cost. Health is getting 20. Health now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330. Copays is getting 10. I just had to take my daughter to the eye doctor and her copay was $10, so replacing that. Copays has 20, 30, and 40. Which I'm so excited for her to get her new glasses. She wears glasses and we got her 3 pairs of glasses. Our vision insurance is amazing on top of all the back to school deals they had going on. So yeah, super excited about that. Medical is getting 20. So medical has 1,000 in our high yield and $20. Emergency is getting 20. And same thing, we have 1,000 in our high yield and $20 for emergency. I haven't stuffed emergency in a long time, but I feel like it's one of those like never ending things to stuff. Like you should always try to stuff it if you can. All right, going into my low priority binder. Beauty is gonna be getting $20. And that's all that it has right now. Birthdays is gonna be getting 20. Whoops. Okay. Birthdays now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So 190. Gifts is also getting 20. Gifts now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. 190 in gifts as well. Family Fun is getting 20. So Family Fun now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Has anyone gone to see the Despicable Me 4 movie yet? Let me know in the comments if you liked it or not, because that's what we're saving to go see. My daughters are obsessed with the little minions and everything. They're so cute. Eating out is gonna get 20 this week. I have been wanting In-N-Out. In-N-Out is my favorite. Date night is getting 10. So date night now has 20, 30, 35, 40. And that's all for this binder. Next is my holiday binder. So we're gonna go to 10th anniversary. So last week, my husband had some leftover cash, and what we're gonna do with his leftover cash is add it to our 10th anniversary. So yeah, we had a goal of 300 and we increased it to 400 just in case there's something we wanna do, or if we wanna go out to eat more than once, we wanna be able to do it. So yeah, let's see. 10th anniversary is getting 35. So tenth anniversary now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 390, 95, 400. I'm gonna go ahead and just check this off, and let me get a fully funded placeholder for this real quick. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna set this aside so I can reuse that again. I love that little savings challenge from Amanda at Simply Budgeted. Okay, so 10th anniversary is now fully funded with $400. We're going to Sedona. I think I mentioned before in this video, yeah. We're going to Sedona, and it's like a 2.5 hour drive from our house. And we're very low-key people. We're, my husband's grandfather booked us rooms. He has a timeshare, so we won't have to spend any money on the room or anything. And it has like a kitchenette, so we plan on getting our food from the grocery store and cooking and getting snacks and stuff. But we do want to go out to eat a couple of times and just explore downtown Sedona. So yeah, I think 400 is plenty of money to do that. And we're so excited and so grateful for his grandfather booking those rooms for us. Like, yeah, we have not had a trip together in quite some time, so we're due. Halloween is gonna be getting $10. So I'm gonna fill in 2 of the ghosts here because my icons equal 5, so. All right, so we'll let those dry and give this a count. So Halloween now has 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. And then next week, I'll definitely include that other savings challenge for Halloween. I'll put this behind right now so it can dry. All right, Thanksgiving is getting 15. So Thanksgiving now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. I think we're gonna try to save 200 in here with inflation prices, you know, like can't have enough right now. Not Thanksgiving, Black Friday is getting 5. Black Friday now has 10, 15, and 20. And you guys, I thought about this too. For Black Friday, I don't really buy anything except for like Christmas gifts. So if we do any Black Friday shopping, I'm sure I'll be using the Christmas money to shop that. So moving on to Christmas. Christmas is gonna be getting 30. So 20 and a 10. And my icons equal 10. So I'm gonna color in 3 trees. Okay, so we'll let that dry and give the Christmas money a count. Christmas has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, and 20. So 420 total for Christmas so far. And New Year's is getting 5. And we don't really do anything special for New Year's, so I don't know what we'll need or anything like that, but might as well stuff it just in case, because we can always roll this money over to the next holiday. And that is it for my holiday binder. Next is gonna be the 52 envelope savings challenge. We're gonna fill number 24 today. So we have 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh my gosh, those ones are so crisp. Love that. The savings challenge is from Luxe Designs, and I love this. I'm definitely gonna reuse this thing. All right, next we're gonna add the extra money we saved from last week into our extra debt envelope. So we have a total of 20, 40, 50, 55 going in. So that puts us at 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 115 total. Nice. Not bad for 2 weeks. All right, you guys, that completes this cash stuffing video for today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.